കൂടപ്പിറപ്പുകളാൽ നിരച്ചും മാതൃഭൂമിക്കായി ജീവൻ ത്യജിച്ചോരെ മാതൃകയായിട്ട് സ്വീകരിച്ചും.
Hi everyone! National Science Day is celebrated on February 20th every year in India. Do you know what do we celebrate this day? The National Science Day is observed to remember Sir C.V. Raman for the invention of Raman effect. Now let's see a science magic. Can you see the coins in the two glasses? Let's pour some water in the two glasses. See what happens? Where is the coin in one of the glasses? This is the magic of science. Thank you. I am going to sing a beautiful action song. COVID-19. It's a global virus. Let's kill that one. To beat that virus, stay home safely. Break the chain. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Rub, rub, rub your fingers. Clean, clean, clean your body. Behind any can kill the virus. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Rub, rub, rub your fingers. Clean, clean, clean your body. Behind any can kill the virus. Respect nature, salute the healthcare. They work for us. Don't forget this shall to pass and wait for goodness.
Science Day is celebrated every year to recall the discoveries of science. Science at times makes us friends or enemies. Great or small, each friend is important and needed to unravel our hidden talents. Love, acceptance, and simplicity should be our motto in our journey of discovery. For example, I am going to tell you a story about 5 friends. Once upon a time, there were 5 friends. They all are fighting. The first friend said, "I'm the best because I point and I teach you." The second friend said, "No, I'm the best because I'm the tallest one." The third friend said, "No, I'm the best because I wear wedding ring." The fourth friend said, "No, I'm the best because when we pray, I come first." They all are fighting. Then the fifth friend said, "Stop fighting, stop fighting. Can you all ride without me? Can you all open and close without me?" They all friends said, "You are the best, you are the best." The fifth friend said, "No, no. Alone we are nothing, but together we can do anything." Moral of the story is each one is important. Thank you.
Can kids help to save our earth?
ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി.